Stormworm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a review about the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy A35 is a new budget 5G smartphone for Boost Mobile. It is now available in the awesome navy color option, 128GB of storage, and it's currently on sale for $149.99. Full retail price $399.99. So not bad for this phone here. So yeah, there is the front and back of the Galaxy A35. You guys got your hole punch there for your front facing camera there, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the rest of the phone. On the back, of course, yeah, you have your triple camera system, camera flash, Samsung logo. That's the front of the phone. Just mentioned that. Hole punch for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the rest of the phone. Power button, volume keys. On the left side, you're probably going to have your micro SD and SIM card slots. Kind of hard to tell by this angle here. Back of the phone, triple camera system, camera flash, Samsung logo. There you go again, the back of it again. There's the back with the right side of the phone, power button, volume keys. Left side of the phone has nothing. I'll say your micro SD card and SIM card slot is either on top or bottom of the phone. So yeah. There is the right side power button, volume key. So yeah, and there is front and back once more. So the Galaxy A35 has a 6.6-inch display, 50-megapixel main camera, 43 hours of talk time, Android 14 with One UI 6.1. Packed with amazing capabilities, Galaxy A35 5G is designed to bring out the best in every moment. Features: Galaxy A35 5G secured by Samsung Knox. Awesome. There's front and back of the phone there, very nice looking phone. Stunning shots of vivid video. Here are the camera specs here for the phone, so you guys know which is which. So you guys have a 50-megapixel main camera, which is your wide angle camera, 8-megapixel ultra wide camera, then a 5-megapixel macro camera lens on back. It goes 8, 50, and 5 on the back in that order. So, and then you have a 13-megapixel selfie camera on front. Picture perfect moments and extraordinary detail. Unlock your creativity within advanced triple lens camera system that turns every moment into a masterpiece. There's a couple of sample pictures there. See the world at night in a whole new light. Your nights has just become a whole lot brighter with the Galaxy A35 5G, whether it's nightscapes or night portraits or light photos and videos. Look clear as day with stunning night photography there, alright? Shoot clear and steady videos. With Super HDR, you can get rich colors, clear videos, and better visibility in a variety of lighting conditions paired with optical image stabilization and VDIS. I don't know what that is. Something to do with video, I guess. You get smooth videos while filming on the move. Bright and vibrant display. Meet the vibrant 6.6-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display with the 120Hz smooth high refresh rate and 1000 nits of brightness. Vision booster can give you crystal clear outdoor visibility even in direct sunlight. So that's always nice. You have eye care display, so that's a win. All day battery. Stay focused on the moment and worry less about your phone's percentage with the long-lasting battery of the Galaxy A35 5G. Plus super fast charging help keeps you plugged into the moment, not the outlet. So you get a 5,000 mAh battery, which is very nice. Help resist damage from drops and spills. Your phone is dust and water resistant with an IP67 rating. Plus the display is made from tough Gorilla Glass Victus to give you an additional peace of mind. Keep your data safe and sound. Your info belongs to you and no one else. Galaxy A series comes with multi-layered Knox security that keeps your data safe and sound. So that's a win. We have got you covered. OS updates and security maintenance come standard with your Galaxy A35 5G. You'll get up to 4 generations of OS upgrades and up to 5 years of security updates to keep your phone and personal data in good hands. So that's a win. Samsung Galaxy experience. Smart Switch. Easily transfer your data to your new Samsung Galaxy from different devices. Quick Share sharing files is a breeze with Quick Share. It's fast, easy, and secure. One UI 6 lets you run things effortlessly, just the way you like it. It's all about it's all about personalizing your everyday experiences. Specs: the Galaxy A35 has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display, Super AMOLED, with a 120Hz refresh rate, 5,000 mAh battery, Exynos 1380 chipset, Android 14 with One UI 6.1. The Galaxy A35 weighs 7.4 ounces. Cameras: you have a 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide, and then the 5 megapixel macro camera lens on the back, and the 13 megapixel front-facing camera, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and you do have a micro SD card slot up to 1 terabyte, so take advantage of that as well. You do get 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 NFC, so you can use Samsung Wallet, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, and whatnot. Dimensions on the Galaxy A35: 6.4 inches height, 3.1 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. Other features of the Galaxy A35 include Samsung Wallet. I just mentioned that. Samsung Knox, stereo speakers, Gorilla Glass 5 micro SD card support up to 1 terabyte. What's included with the Galaxy A35 5G is, of course, your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G smartphone, Type-C to Type-C cable. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick, some ejection pin, quick start guide, and terms and conditions there. So you standard stuff in the box there, right? So, yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. It's now on your base mobile, so if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A35 is worth checking out. It does look very nice. It looks like any other recent Samsung Galaxy A series of devices there, so design-wise, that would be familiar to you if you guys are familiar with the Galaxy A series. So, looks very nice, has great specs and features for what it is. So, definitely worth checking out, and yeah. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.